Hello everyone, this is Brother Maximo reporting for the Lost Begotten channel. Hat, and I don't know if you can see it, but clogs. I love bleach, I love Urehara, Yoruichi, patient love, unknown means. People ask me, Max, what's with those weeds flowering? I'm like, they're not weeds. This particular instance is radish. So I let it flower because nature, plants have to flower before they bear seed, Let me see if I can show you. So these are a little further along their development. So these are all pods, still premature. Once they age, they will bear seed, radish seed, and it will allow me to grow many more radishes. So, like breeding clownfish, I breed plants. That's my dad working right there, because we're a family. We all work together, each according to their own capacity. By the way, radish pods are very nourishing. They taste great, man. So don't cut down your vegetables before they flower and before they bear seed. Yeah, I guess there was a point to this video, huh? I guess it's like, look, more flowers. Imagine that. I think too often we censor ourselves for fear of judgment. But the judgment we fear is only the judgment of hypocrites. The only judgment we should truly fear is God's. And the only blasphemy there truly is letting go of that Holy Spirit. So even today, by my education, I feel guilty for not helping my dad. But I realize I don't have the strength, I don't have the energy. I should rest and heal so I can be of benefit in my full capacity when I am rested and healed. So yeah, I was asked to comment on the news often, but all the news is nowadays is general fuckery. It's he said, she said, and Democrats have invested too much in apologetics, and Republicans have invested too much in hypocrisy. So please, by all means, let's just find the center again. Get centered, Because of this shit, man. I don't even have the strength or the energy to comment on all the hypocrisy we call news. You know what's news to me? Radish in bloom. And everything flowers just before it bears seed. Just remember that, okay? That's the Brother Maximo Metaphysical Metaphor, reporting live for the Lost Begotten channel. Love, peace, unity, truly. God bless.